Okay guys, we are at the Chiang Mai Complex, which looks like a huge permanent night market. It goes from here out to the main road, from there all the way down. You see this building right there, something 8, big restaurant. All of that is a part of this complex. It's paid parking in here. I've paid more money for parking today than I have for diesel, and I haven't stopped all day. It's just everywhere I go, paid parking. I don't like that. But at least there's parking in here, which is very, very hard to find. That's for sure in this city. Parking is limited. These places normally have a whole lot of clothes, which is not all that interesting to me, but I'll give you an overview. A few motorbikes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Busy place. I'm going to go down this way. That looks pretty cool. There's a lady down here eating Japanese curry. It looks really, really good. Just saying. Everybody likes donuts. Chocolate sauce. Chocolate sauce everywhere. How about some waffles? They have chocolate waffles. And then some traditional desserts. But I don't know. I think she's done that before. That's green mango. Busted. We're doing grilled mushrooms here. And other things. That's shrimp. Fish. Looks like a fish. Wow. Holy man. That's a lot of restaurants. That's a lot of food. Wow. Fried rice in the walk, it looks like. This is someplace, huh? It's down the other end. A lot of little restaurants. The amount of selection in here is ridiculous. That's for sure. And that's not it. There's more. There's some clothes, which is cool. But look over here. Zone 8. Oh, that's the sign on the wall. The other building. Oh, I smell barbecue something all over here. Barbecue buffet. I smell this one. The last time I had that was Nakhon Ratchasima and got very, very sick. Both of us. Check out that crispy fried pork belly. You see all the motorbikes? Give you an idea how many people are here. There are hundreds and hundreds of little stalls, little stores. The only difference between this and the normal night market, this got a permanent roof. But at the end of the day, they still got to take all their stuff out, right? Because there's no walls, just the roll down plastic if it rains. This one here, no, there's no shutters. No? Oh, there's a lock right there. So this one they can close. But most of them still got to take their stuff when they go home, right? Found more food. Crispy pancake. Green mangoes. Remember the lady cutting the green mangoes? Different one. Spicy green mangoes.
Mango salad.
Mango salad.
Yeah.
Spicy, yeah?
Spicy.
Very spicy, yeah. Here we got some pork on a stick. Hello, sir. I'd be mom cooking. Check out the rings. $299, $10 each. Plus a whole bunch of other stuff. Pretty cool. Succulents. All kinds of them. Really cool looking too. Oh, sorry. All beautifully done, yeah? I don't think this is a part of the same market. It's not much there, more like a dessert place, some clothes. There's the main road. They're still sitting up. These VW vans turned into bars and smoothie bars and juice bars. Quite common. But check out the ice cream van. It's a little trailer with soft serve ice cream. How cool is that? You watch this? You have to pay to get in there, right? This guy ever gets there, you gotta put your money in a little basket.
It's very nice.
$20 each. Remember this guy? It's for Foodland. Inside here, all kinds of restaurants. Very quiet though, very, very quiet. One of them looks like a Japanese restaurant. All kinds of different, oh, there it is. Japanese food. That looks really good in the pictures. And that one's busy. All the other ones are quiet. But everyone's got music playing, and that would be a field day for the copyright police, that's for sure. Oh, that's it, guys. Time to get out of here. So much food, unbelievable, unbelievable. I didn't even go down here to this Eaten or something it's called. I didn't even go down there. There is more food here than you could possibly eat in a year. If you sampled everyone, I tell you what, it's that much. It's awesome. Plenty of clothing and stuff like that. Not too interesting for me. Lots of knick-knack things. The guy with the giant ring, some of those were pretty cool. Cheap, but cool, you know. Lots of other stuff. You can buy telephones and computers and you name it. It's available here. Pretty cool place. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We'll see what else we can find in Chiang Mai.